Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Neptune puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelican in Europe with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of Neptune puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. Object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no sticking out parts, and all openings of the frame will be covered with the inner parts. This puzzle requires 14 steps to take it apart and 14 more steps to assemble it again. As always, all Asanori Yamamoto puzzles made by Pelican comes unsolved. So here, as you can see, there is a sticking out part. It means that it is not assembled the correct way. You have to remove all the parts and then put them back inside, as I told you, in such a way that there will be no sticking out parts. And probably if you're a fan of Asanori Yamamoto puzzles and Pelican puzzles, you noticed that this time Pelican decided to print the name of the puzzle and the name of the designer on top of the frame. And some people say that it doesn't look good. Some people say that it is a nice touch to a puzzle. If you don't really like these writings, you can put this puzzle with the writings facing down and it looks very nice, or you can take just a regular nail varnish remover and remove the printings. I made it on my version of this puzzle and it looks clean and nice. There are a couple of marks left, but still it looks clean without any writings. If you like Neptune puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of Neptune puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Neptune puzzle. First, we have to remove all 6 parts from the frame, since this puzzle is not assembled the correct way. There was a part that was sticking out. So here is 4 parts. And there are 2 more parts left that we have to remove from the frame. And I'll start by showing you how to put these parts into a 3x3x3 cube, and then we will fit them inside the frame. So now we'll put the frame aside. This puzzle requires rotation to solve it. So what we have to do first, we have to find these 2 parts are parts that we're gonna rotate. So this is gonna be on the bottom. This part goes on the right side on top. This part goes on the left side. This 2x2 part goes on the back. This part goes on top, and we have space in the middle to fit the last piece. So that's going to be the cube that we have to fit inside the frame. And now let's try to fit all parts inside. So we have to put the frame probably like this. Yeah, I think it is like this. And we will start by putting this part inside. You have to fit it inside from the right or from the left. Put it up and rotate it flat like this. So this part now goes this way to the right and this way. The next piece that we have to fit inside is going to be the bottom piece. This one, you have to fit it inside again from the left, from the right. And again, you have to rotate it. I don't think it is clearly, you can clearly see what is happening inside, but I try to explain it. So now I'm trying to rotate the bottom piece, and you have to put it closer to the front wall, and it now it is inside like this. It goes this way and then this way. So what we have to do next we have to put this 2x2 piece inside from the left and put it below this part. And now we don't have to hold this part since it is held by the 2x2 piece. So the next one, oh no, sorry, that was my mistake. The next part is going to be this one. We have to fit it through this cutout, inside, one step down, again inside, and all the way to the right. The next one goes piece that 2x2. You have to fit it inside and to the back side of the frame. And we have only two parts left. Now we have to fit this part inside and to the left. And the last piece, this one, it goes straight in the gap, and that's it. Puzzle is assembled. As you can see, there is no sticking out parts and all the openings are covered. So that was the solution of Neptune puzzle. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan or designed by Asanori Yamamoto, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.